car.
Yay.
Later this afternoon. I think we're gonna just kind of do everything in one trip and then stay there. Cause you know we'll have the bed there and everything too.
Alright.
Are those gold blades or brass blades?
Titanium.
Oh.
Titanium coating.
Titanium's that color?
No. Not that I know. I didn't think it was, but.
Well, now you have a box cutter in case we need one today.
Yep. That doesn't look dangerous at all.
But it just slides out?
Yeah, it just slides right out.
How many extra blades did it come with? 3?
No? A lot, actually.
Nice. Careful, you won't be able to get them back in.
This is true.
Does it say on the package? Includes, bottom left, includes what?
10 blades.
Neat.
And a bonus pouch.
Fancy.
Yeah.
How could somebody love having reduced hours?
More time to get drunk.
He doesn't get drunk though.
Less money to get drunk on, but.
He's at the bar every night that the bar is open. And when our bar's not open, he goes down to Rainbow Bar.
Okay.
He's at the bar every night. Spends at least $40 on Club Kino. Every night.
Maybe he wins a lot of money.
He doesn't. He wins enough to pay for his beer. He tips them in lotto tickets. He tips them in winners.
Fantastic. Like $20 winners or like $3 winners?
Depends on how much. Depends on what he's playing. So he always plays different numbers too. He has like 4 different patterns that he plays. Like one night he'll be playing 70 through 80 or 70 through 79. One night he'll be playing like all the zeros, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. But the most that he's won that I know of is he won $1,100 once. Still hasn't cashed it in because he has to go to Lansing. He's got a nice car. It's a